Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Maria Ila Natasha binti Mazlan and my student ID is 2021459942. Now I'm going to present my topic, which is construction equipment and machinery. This is the table of contents. There are 6 of construction equipment and machinery. Introduction. What is construction equipment and machineries? Okay, modern construction equipment plays a vital role in the construction industry where business objectives are strictly time and margin driven. It optimizes the usage of materials, manpower, finance, and shortage of skill and efficient labor, and at the same time keeps a direct check over the quality measures that are being used. Earthwork equipment or machinery. Earth moving equipment is a heavy equipment, typically heavy-duty vehicles designed for construction operations, which involve earthworks. They are used to move large amounts of earth, to dig foundations, for landscaping, and so on. Earth-moving equipment may also be referred to as heavy trucks, heavy machines, construction equipment, and heavy hydraulics. This is the types of earthwork equipment and machinery. The first one is excavator. Excavator are heavy construction equipment, consists a boom dipper, bucket and cap on rotating platform known as the house. The second one is bulldozer, a tractor equipped with a substantial metal plate used to push large quantity of soil, sand, rubble or other such material during construction. The third one is backhoe loader, also called as loader backhoe, digger in layman's terms or colloquially shortened to backhoe within the industry. The last one is motor grader, a construction machine with a long blade used to create a flat surface during the grading process. Advantages of earthwork equipment. The first one is quality improvement and the second one is project efficiency. For disadvantages, the first one is dependence and the second one is loss of skills. Trenching equipment or machinery. Trenching machineries. Trenches are pieces of mechanical equipment used to excavate and prepare trenches. Different kind of trencher can be used depending on the width and depth. Types of trenching equipment and machinery. The first one is wheel trencher. It is fitted with a toothed metal wheel and can be used in hard or soft soils. The second one is skimmer. Skimmers are used for excavating long trenches such as those necessary for pipelines. The third one is chain trencher. Chain trenchers are used to cut hard ground and are flexible enough to be able to cut narrow, deep, and wider trenches for utilities. The fourth one is portable trencher. It is a lightweight and easy to handle and can use to install landscape edging and irrigation lines. Trucks and hauling equipment or machinery. Heavy machinery that is not intended for roadways must be transported to the construction area before excavation can begin. Then, once finished, transportation equipment is just as valuable for hauling debris during the cleanup phase of the construction project. Types of truck and hauling equipment and machinery. The first one is crane. It is used to lift and move materials and supplies during construction. The second one is dump trucks, used to move clay, dirt, soils, and sands. The third one is tractors. It is similar to the bulldozers and loaders. Tractors can be track-based or wheel-based. The fourth one is hauling trucks, used to transport a fleet of equipment or service construction from one location to another. The fifth one is concrete mixing transport truck. It is a concrete transport truck to mix concrete and transport it to the construction site. Compaction equipment or machinery. The job which is often required at majority of the construction projects. The compaction process can also help in increasing the durability of the concrete and enhance the bonds with the reinforcement. Types of compaction equipment and machinery. The first category is light soil compaction equipment. The first one is rammers. Rammer are machine-powered and hand-steered small machines used for compacting small areas. The second one is vibratory dampers. It is also ideal to be used in smaller areas in confined zones. Second category is heavy soil compaction equipment. The first one is smooth wheel rollers. These machines are propelled by a diesel engine. The weights of the drum wheels can be altered by adding ballast or other heavy materials inside the drums. The second one is ship foot rollers. It is also a vehicle similar to smooth wheel rollers, but in contrast to a smooth drum used in smooth wheel rollers, this machine have a ship's foot or tamping roller in front. Concreting equipment or machinery. Using concrete in construction typically involves an extensive amount of labor, from mixing to pouring the concrete onto slabs. Many workers have to work together to ensure the process goes well. Mixers are used to combine all the components like cement, gravel, and water for higher mixing and additionally save time due to its excessive performance. Types of concreting equipment and machinery. The first one is batch mixer. It is one of the most common types of mixer that is widely used to mix the concrete ingredients. The second one is concrete batching plant. A concrete batching plant is a machine wherein elements of concrete are combined and mixed homogeneously to gain concrete of preferred quality and strength. The third one is self-loading concrete mixer. It is the combination of concrete mixer and transit mixer. The fourth one is stationary concrete pump. Modern stationary pumps are equipped with the required delivery line as well as a stationary placement boom system. Hoisting equipment or machinery. Hoisting machine and tackle used in the works, including their attachment, anchors and support, shall be in the perfect condition. Types of hoisting equipment and machinery. The first one is chain hoist. It is a well-known mechanism to lift loads, which is usually suspended from a beam. The second one is tower cranes. It is used to lift capacity and height and usually used for construction building. The third one is overhead crane. Overhead crane or gantry crane is an essential machine in factories or workshops. Conclusion. Why is machinery safety is important? Okay, this is the reason. People can be struck or injured by moving parts of machinery or ejected materials. Parts of the body can also be drawn in or trapped between rollers, belts, and pulley drive. The second one is parts of the machine, materials, and emission can be hot or cold enough to cause burn or scalds, or electricity can cause electrical shock and burns. Reference: